And welcome back. So, you finished off the Polygon chapter and now you're hungry for more, I'm sure. In this chapter, we're going to be talking about NURBS surfaces. Some of you are wondering, what are NURBS surfaces? Well, NURBS is an acronym for non-uniform rational B-splines. In Maya, it has been shortened over the years to just state it as surfaces, which you do find under the modeling section of Maya. But the word B-splines within the acronym, or within the extended version of the acronym, if I could say so, we find ourselves referring to curves or splines. So the simplest way to explain what NURBS surfaces are is that NURBS surfaces or surfaces are created by using and combining different curves with one another to generate a mathematically correct surface within Maya. You tend to use NURBS surfaces or just surfaces to generate very smooth pieces of geometry. If you are going to be creating surfaces that look like they were machined, for example, a cell phone or potentially any metal work or interiors of engines and things like that, you will land up using surfaces rather than polygons. The reason for that is you can be very precise when creating your curves, which in turn you turn into surfaces. You should deduce by now that surfaces are used when you need a lot more precision. But the great thing is you can use it as a launch off point and then later on in the pipeline convert them back into polygons so that you continue on editing that way if you prefer. So with that said, we're going to end off this lesson here, and in the next lesson we're going to be jumping into creating some curves which we will transform into some surfaces. So catch you in the next lesson.